Can you mention a number of unwritten rules at your company? If you're struggling to find some, then stay with us for the next few minutes to get some additional insights. My name is Giuseppe Conti, I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Especially if you're new into the company, you want to make sure that you take a moment to understand as much as possible about the unwritten rules of the company. A good way to start is to observe, to ask questions, and ideally to have somebody who has been with the company for a long time that can give you insights on how the company really works. Because title may not be correlated to influence. The executive assistant of a senior vice president may be more influential than a director, or maybe a chief of staff may be more influential than other people at the same level of seniority. The values that are really implemented by the companies may not be the same than the ones that are on the posters, or what people tell you and what people really mean may be different. I was working with a large pharmaceutical company and I was appointed together with other 5 colleagues, all from different functions, to improve our approach to innovation. This team of 6 had to come up with a different way to approach innovation at the company. The official message was, be bold, come up with innovative ideas. So, we did our work, it was a very nice team, and we came up with a number of recommendations. And one of the 6 of us made a presentation at the European team meeting in Helsinki, the top 100 executives in the company, to present our recommendations on how to improve our approach to innovation. And one of the topics that we had recommended was, innovation starts with the leaders. It is something which is important. Unfortunately, this message was perceived by the head of Europe, Middle East and Africa as a personal attack. A couple of months later, the person who made the presentation was made redundant. So, do understand the unwritten rules of the company. It's going to be very beneficial for your career success. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.